We've been looking for some containers to take to work, and we found these ones. These are the meal prep container with leaves. They come in a package of 50. They're 24 ounces in this case. We wanted something that it wasn't super large or super small, and they've been very practical to take to work. This is the way that they come. In this one, you can see them all together like this, and then they come, the leaves, they come separately. They are in here, as you can see. So this is how they look when you put them together. This is the size. So we like these ones because they are BPA free. They are microwave safe, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe. On the top rack over here, it will let you know in which one. But honestly, we were tired of losing all of these containers, so we just decided to go for this one. It's the perfect size for lunch, so that way you're not having a gigantic container or a very small one. And in here, they're very easy to clean. You just put them together like this, and they're leak proof. And you just take them to work and you're ready to go. And they're very easy to clean, reusable, and stackable as well.